Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So by now I'm sure most of you already know how much my hair loves rice water, and I am constantly looking for ways to improve rice water for healthy and extreme hair growth. So I came across a fellow YouTuber's video on what to add into your rice water to achieve even better results. Her channel is Me and These Coils. So I'll be sharing with you what I'll be adding to my rice water. So this is my rice water. For those who don't know how to make rice water, I have a video of it on my channel. So the first thing I'll be adding is this aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel. So the next thing I'll be adding is a tablespoon of original honey. Guys, don't worry about all these ingredients dissolving. After adding everything, I'm going to shake very well and they will all blend together. So the next thing I'll be adding is this She Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. You can add in any conditioner of your choice. It could be normal conditioner or a leave-in conditioner. Like I said, I was just improvising in this video. You can improvise too and add whatever you want. Guys, I know it doesn't look very nice now, but don't worry, after a proper shake it will all blend together and you won't see all these lumps anymore. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of almond oil to give my hair some shine. You can add any type of oil you have. Could be olive oil, carrot oil, castor oil, anyone you have. So now I'll be pouring my mixture in my bottle spray and give it a good shake. Guys, just watch how I will shake this and they will all blend together.
Fresh boy, wait up easy. I got the cat that you need, plus I got the swag that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beat is so undeniable, baby girl. One day till the morning, cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing, everybody dance, everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Dance, yeah, ole, yeah. Many music there to play.
So guys, it is time for application. As you can see, my hair has been washed. I made sure I wash my hair first with shampoo. Now I'm going to apply my mixture. Shake very well to mix together. Start applying. So after applying, I'm trying to massage the mixture into my hair very well. So now I'm going to cover to deep condition for at least 30 minutes, but if you can wait 1 hour, it's very okay. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after washing it. The shrinkage is way, my hair is way longer than this now. Rice water has really helped me so far. So as the title said, I added this to my rice water and this is what happened. What actually happened? It happened that my hair really loved the mixture. It is so nice. This protein mixture was lovely. My hair is feeling so light and soft, and I'm sure I'm going to continue using this method. Like I said, you can add any kind of conditioner you want, any other kind of ingredients. You could add eggs, blended banana or avocado to your rice water mixture. It will definitely go well with your hair, and as you can see, my hair is shinier too, maybe because of the oil I added. Well, after now I'm just going to go add in some leave-in conditioner, some oil, my virgin hair fertilizer, and put it in a protective style, either a twist knot or my usual cornrow. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.